say that you have to add in some kind of a logo or footers over here in the project, but you're not sure where you have kept the footers, or you don't have the footers at the current moment. In that case, you can use something called a placeholder. So to add in a placeholder, simply right click over here on an empty track and then click on add placeholder. So what it'll do is add in a placeholder just like that. So it is like a blank layer which you can replace anytime you get the footers you want to replace it with. So you have the placeholder, as you can see right here, and then you can create multiple placeholders. So let me add another placeholder here as well. But let's say this placeholder is for a logo. So I'm just going to go to the placeholder just like this and resize it out over here just like that, over here on the side, just like this. I can also go over here on its settings right over here. I can change around its position and everything else right over here, just like this. I'm just going to go around just like this, and I can pull this out over here as well if I were to hold shift. So let's say I want a logo right here, which is about yay big, just like this. So now what you can do is import out the footers right here. So you go into the import media. I'm just going to go on to my tutorial folder right here, and then I'm going to go around onto my project which I have right here, like my mask video, as you can see right here. And then I'm going to press import media again, and then I'm going to go around into my tutorial logo file just like this. So now what I can simply do is drag on the footers onto the placeholder just like this. And here you can see it says ripple replace or replace with clip speed. So I'm just going to go for ripple replace right here, and you got the footers just like this, which is just that big. So I'm just going to go around, crop that around as well, and there you go, you got the footers replaced out. You can also replace out the logo. The placeholder is here, so just drag the logo and keep it right here on top, and you can see that it has been replaced out with the TutorTube logo just like this in the size that we worked out with. Now what else we can do is we can also turn out existing footers into placeholders. So for that, I can simply right click over here, and you can see that I can convert it back into placeholder. Convert it back into placeholder just like this as well. So let's say I want to replace it out with the different footers. I can simply import out the media right here. Let's say, for example, I want to have this earth map right here as the bottom placeholder just like this, and I simply have that. And I want to have something else over here. Let's say, for example, paper right here. I want it on the placeholder, so I can simply replace it out on the placeholder just like this. So let me just drag it onto the placeholder just like this, and you can see that that is how it gets replaced. And that is how you can work with placeholders inside of Camtasia. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.